welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, I am going to be doing a much needed organization / decluttering of my pantry because this is a nightmare. Oh my gosh, I'm super embarrassed to even be videotaping this right now. So I did challenge myself in trying to find a majority of the items from the thrift store, which was really fun to do. So let's turn this terrifying scene right here, this is a mess, I literally didn't even know half the stuff that was in here, into a very nice organized pantry. Okay, the first step, as we all know, to organizing anything is to remove everything. So that is what I am doing here, is I'm removing all of the items from my pantry.
If we're okay, babe, all I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play, no.
So I've emptied out this, so I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so I have emptied out the pantry, and now I have everything set here on the countertops, and while I'm looking at this, it's a mess. Some of this stuff, honestly, I did not know that we had in our pantry. And so now I'm just basically, I guess, gonna be organizing it. I'm in no way like an organizational guru or anything like that, so I could not really give you any tips and pointers, but I can just tell you what I'm doing. What am I doing? I'm filming. What are you doing? I cleaned it all out. I'm cleaning the pantry. So I am basically going to kind of like organize it in the way of things that could, like the canned goods, of course, and things like packs and stuff that can go into like a basket or something like that. And then like, you know, the rice and stuff and spaghetti that can go into like containers. So that's what I'm gonna do, so I can kind of know how much of what I need to get to put back into this pantry to make it look like something that you would see at a grocery store. So let's get started with organizing. Now I'm just gonna start to sort everything in the different piles. So like I'll put the canned goods together, I'm gonna put the items that are gonna be put in containers together, and I'm gonna put the items that are gonna be put in like little baskets and stuff like that together, just so I can start to get my eye on the amount of containers and baskets that I'm going to need to put into the pantry as of right now, because honestly I do need to go grocery shopping, so I'm just going off of the things that I have now with organizing all this stuff. Today we're going to the thrift store because I am going to be, probably won't be able to film this because she's literally talking. Okay, so anyways, mom life. So we're going to the thrift store. We're going to the thrift store because I need to get some stuff to organize the pantry with, because in 2020 I'm trying to be better, and I feel like it'd be cool if I can actually do this with just getting items from the thrift store, if that's possible. So we're gonna try to do that today and see what we find. I'm gonna try to at least go to 2 or 3 different thrift stores, so this will be exciting and a treasure hunt for sure. So let's start with thrift store number 1. Alright, so my main agenda for coming into the thrift store was to find baskets and containers that I'll be able to hold my items in that I pulled out of the pantry. So as I'm going down aisle to aisle, the main thing to just always remember is to keep an open mind about items that you spot in the thrift store and how you can potentially use them in the space that you are working on. So the first store really didn't have, I'm really looking for those baskets because I love that look. I feel like I may not be able to kind of find, you know, those baskets at the thrift store, and I'm just gonna have to like buy them. But you never know, we'll see. But I did find some like glass container pieces that I got, and I think I got like 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 of them, but then I got this really cute like dish, really pretty glass dish, and it was like 99 cents, so of course I had to grab it. So I got those, and now we're headed to another one to see what they have at that one. So hopefully maybe we can find maybe like 3 baskets that look alike, but I don't know, we'll see. Or I might just like change up the whole vibe of the of like how I'm envisioning the pantry, because it's a really small pantry, but I still want it to look organized. So let's see what we find in this next store. All right, another little thrift tip for you is, me, in my case, I am looking for glassware. So if you are in like a Goodwill or something like that, most of the time they always have their stuff categorized, and they will have different sections for glassware. So sometimes they'll have like the glassware there where it's like storage, and then they'll have like vases, and then they'll just have like, you know, knick-knacky kind of glassware, ceramics, and then they'll have an area where they have like their cups and mugs and wine glasses and stuff like that. So you really just want to go down each and every aisle to make sure that you aren't missing anything, and to just always remember what you are coming in there for, so you don't go out with 100 million items that you weren't even anticipating on grabbing. Okay, so I am filming this right now and the TV is on, so I'm hoping that I won't have to do a voiceover for this part, but I'm going to be sharing everything that I kind of picked up from the thrift store. And then these right here are from Dollar Tree, and I just kind of like washed them, so they're extra hot and they're still kind of drying. But these right here, I got them from the Dollar Tree. These baskets, I thrifted these, and they were 99 cents a piece. And let you know, guys, if there is no tag on there, and then you like literally go to the thrift store like 50 million times, and the people just, you're so nice to them, like this is what happens. So they let me get these for 99 cents. So I was super excited about that. And then I got this basket as well because it kind of matches these two with the same type of brown tones. And again, I washed all these, so this is still kind of drying. And then I got these. Now these, actually, I believe they came from the Container Store because they're all the same. And it clearly says it at the bottom. Hold on, you can't see the tag. Wait, where did the tag go? One of these has a tag on it. I think this one does. Yes. So, oh, it's not focusing. Anyways, okay, there we go. The Container Store. So these came from the Container Store, and I legit got them for 99 cents. So these two were 99 cents. This one, since it's a little larger, it was $3.99. But I'm pretty sure it costs more than that at the Container Store. And then this one was like $1.29. And then I got some acrylic kind of holders. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but they were 79 cents and I got them for 50% off. So I just took those. And then these I'm gonna use as containers as well to hold things. They were like $1.29. I'm pretty sure it's something that you use for food, but we're gonna use this for storage for the moment. And then I got this too, which was $1.29 to put some stuff in. And then I also got these glasses over here. So the larger one, the medium sized one, and then I went back and found this smaller one. And honestly, y'all, these were all 99. Wait, I think they were 99 cents. Or these were either like $1.29, but I know for a fact this one was 99 cents. So this is all the stuff that I picked up from the thrift store and also the Dollar Tree. And so now I'm probably gonna get a little bit more stuff, but I'm gonna start off with these, and then we're gonna start to put the stuff that I have pulled out from the pantry in these containers. So I also forgot to show these little trays that I got, super cute, white, plain, and they were $2.99 a piece. So I got these as well. So now comes the stress-free fun part, and that is dumping all the items that you have into whatever container you want to dump them into. And so I'm gonna start using my spaghetti, dumping that somewhere. My flour, my pancake mix, all of that stuff is going into containers. And then I'm gonna start to add my items to the different baskets and stuff that I bought as well. Just starting to really put everything together.
Take
Okay, so this foam sheet was at the top of our pantry, so I'm literally just moving it down to the bottom. And then I'm gonna take some adhesive wallpaper that I have, and I'm going to just cut that out and add it to the top so that I'll have this cute little tulip design instead of just plain white foam paper. All right, so I got this can organizer, and hopefully it fits in the pantry, because I hope that it's not like too high, because the pantry, like, it's just, I probably should have measured before I actually picked it up, but I didn't. So I'm gonna put it together and we're gonna see if it fits inside. Okay, so this can organizer, I got it from Walmart. If you can't tell from the mainstay, it's definitely Walmart. And I am just going to quickly assemble this, which is very, very easy to put together. And then I just started to add my cans on the top, and this is going to be added to the bottom of my pantry. So that is why I put that little felt sheet down there, so that this can organizer will be able to sit down there. I also added my tuna cans to these little acrylic pieces that I picked up from Goodwill as well. So that was definitely a good buy. All right, so I got these cute little baskets from Michael's. They're actually the Easter baskets that they had, but I really love this off-white basket, and it's wire and you can see through it. So I'm just going to be adding bread to one of the baskets, and then the other basket I'm just going to be adding like some of our snacks and stuff that we have and miscellaneous things into that basket. I also want to share this under the wire basket that you can get from Dollar Tree for $5, and this would be perfect to add like bread and your aluminum foil and stuff to. If you don't have like a wired shelf like me, it'll be perfect to just add for extra space. Okay, so now I'm gonna start to add my cereal to these containers that I purchased off of Amazon, and I will have these linked down below because they came with a lot of other things as well. So I'm just going to be adding this cereal to each one of the containers, and this is definitely all of my husband's cereal because I'm not really a big cereal eater, and honestly Riley likes snacks on them, but he is crazy over cereal. It's insane. So the cereal containers also came with these 4 silicone food storage bags, which are amazing. I've never even heard of these before, but I will be getting some more. So I'm just going to, first of all, they're kind of hard to pull apart when you first get them, and plus I kind of put these in the dishwasher, so that might have affected it too. But I'm just gonna add the extra cereal that I have left over into the smaller storage baggies, so if Riley wants some for like a snack, I'll be able to just grab them real quick and give them to her.
All that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way.
The last step is, of course, labeling. So I'm gonna start to label everything. So I love this label machine, which I will have it linked down below. It's super easy to use, and it prints out your labels, and all you have to do is you can stick them to the front of your containers or the bottom. I'm gonna add these to the bottom. You can also put like the expiration dates and stuff, since you're gonna be taking them out of their original packaging and adding that to the bottom as well, so you'll know when an item expires. But this is the last step that I did for this whole process. All right, so if you don't remember how much of a nightmare my pantry was before, here is another video of it. Oh my gosh, it is terrible. And now it just looks so amazing. I love how this turned out. I'm very proud of myself that I thrifted most of the items that are in this pantry. That was really, really fun to do. And if it wasn't thrifted, it's very like, the other stuff that I got is just inexpensive, like these glass jars from the Dollar Tree. I was super excited when I spotted them, and I'm definitely gonna grab some more of these because they are super cute. So right now everything is just, you can see everything. You know what is in the closet. It makes me just feel so much better to open my pantry now and see how organized it is, and from what it was before, I would get like stressed out every time I opened up my pantry. Seriously. So if your pantry is the same way and you just want to get that pantry done, I hope this video inspires you to want to get started with that. And I am just loving how my pantry turned out, y'all. It's amazing. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.